Hey, so if you're looking to ship wheels and tires across country and you want to keep them protected, there's two ways about going about that. You can first buy boxes and put the wheel and tire, or wheels or tires, in a box and keep them protected. I got these Fedex boxes from Fedex for $15. These are 28 by 28 by 28 square boxes, and I'm basically cutting them down so that they will basically fit this wheel. Now, if you're shipping a spare tire or whatnot, you can get away with saran wrapping it, taping it, and slapping a label on it. UPS and FedEx will take that. You just have to specify that in the label when you ship it that way. These are nice wheels. These are from a GT500, a 2007 Mustang. So I want to make sure that these are protected. They're in really good condition, so I bought these boxes. So I'm going to show you really quick how to box these up and get them shipped out. Alright guys, let's go over what you're going to need if you're going to be shipping like this. So this is all obvious stuff that you have laying around the house, minus the scale. The first thing you need is a good scale to weigh your item, to calculate the shipping costs, and to generate a label. I got this on Amazon for 20 some dollars. It's been a good scale over the next years that I've had it. You want obviously a tape measure, a Sharpie marker, some good packing tape. I've been shipping car parts for a while. I use the Duck HP 260 tape. This is right below the professional stuff, and I use the professional stuff, and I actually like this better. It's a little bit cheaper. The thicker stuff I feel like is not as sticky, so if you're looking for good shipping or packing tape, I'd go with the Duck HP 260. You want a long cutting blade. This we're going to use to cut down the box and make the box shorter. So there's a couple of things you're going to need. Hey guys, so the first thing you want to do is we want to measure our wheel and tire. So this one right here comes at 27 inches in diameter, and our height is 12 inches. So I lucked out with the FedEx box being 28 by 28, and then it's 28 tall, so I'll be able to cut that down to close to 12 inches. Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to tape the top here. Alright, so now that you got the top, or that bottom part taped, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these flaps off. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put the wheel and tire in the box. Just to weigh it down so I can cut the rest of these flaps off. Alright, now that we get those folding flaps cut off, I'm going to basically cut all the corners down to about 12 inches. I'm just going to eyeball it. Alright, now that we got those cut down, basically just going to fold it over. Just like that. I put a little weight on it to conform the edges. So before I do that, I'm going to put bubble wrap over the face of the wheel just to protect it from the box. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to tape this guy down. I'll put a little bit of weight on it to keep it down. One of the things I like to do when I'm taping large items, I like to use this stool right here with a swivel. Put your box right on top. Get your tape. Just spin it around. You want to weigh the box. Put the weight and dimensions on the box where you're going to put your shipping label, and then put your shipping label on your box. Next thing you want to do is you want to get a shipping label. Get your shipping label on there. You can print it off and tape it on the outside with your packing tape, or you can just get a shipping label sleeve. These are nice because you can peel them off and stick them right onto the box. So